At UIC Government Services and the Bowhead family of companies, we're driven by customer experience. Steered by customer needs, we provide what the government requires on the ground, in the air, at sea. Built on the cultural legacy of Barrow, Alaska, inspired by the Iñupiat people. No matter the challenge, our work never stops, making us one of the top 25 8A companies providing services to the federal government, continuously looking to the future, because Bowhead is an Alaskan native corporation that understands your success matters. Headquartered in Springfield, Virginia, and with office locations across the U.S., Bowhead provides the premier services our partners need across the globe. We engineer, test, operate, and maintain 3,000 employees, 300 prime and subcontracts worldwide. We've grown by 37% in 3 years and expect strong growth ahead. When new requirements emerge, we're prepared to respond. We offer services in systems and information technology, logistics and marine, engineering and program management, manufacturing and products, advanced technology. Our track record is exceptional. Providing the best customer experience keeps us growing stronger. Your success matters. Our commitment delivers. Committed to your success.